Hi, in front of me I have LEMFO LEM5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone and the notification sound on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen repeatedly until you see the settings icon. Like this. It's at the end of this menu, so keep swiping until you find it. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called sound and tap on it. And here you can scroll down, and as you can see you have watch ringtone and notification sound. First, let's tap on watch ringtone. And here we have list of ringtones we can use on our watch. There's quite few, as you can see. You can listen to them by tapping on one. Find the ringtone you like to use. Tap on it to select it. You will see the screen. Give me a second because it's too loud. Basically, when you select the ringtone, you will see the green icon next to it. And once you select the ringtone, you can press the upper button to go back or press the middle button to go back to watch face. Okay, now let's change the notification sound. So in the sound menu, tap on default notification, and here you have the list of notification sounds you can use. Again, you can listen to them by selecting one. Find the one you like to use, select it, and then you can press the upper button to go back or press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the ringtone and the sound notification on this device, or rather notification sound. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.